Yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 10 and today we are going to present our material about red giants, white dwarfs, neutron stars and black holes. And my name is Vika Santoni. Then
my name is Israel Sahatu.
And my name is Muhammad Irwan Maulana.
Okay, let's start through the slide. This one is about death of the sun. This is the longest most stable period of a star's life. It converts hydrogen to helium in its cores, generating heat and light. And then red giants, as the nuclear fuel becomes depleted, so the core contracts and the outer layers expand. And the red giant stage, however, will not last very long. Soon the sun will cool, throwing out a huge amount of gas called planet nebula. And planet nebula is now the outer layers of the star start to drift off into space, and the star lost most of its mass of the nebula. And then the nebula turns to be white dwarf. And what is white dwarf? As you can see here, white dwarf is the star cools and shrink. It will eventually be only a few thousand miles in diameter, and no nuclear reaction take place, and the faint star radiates into space. And then the last is black dwarf. Eventually, the star has lost all its heat to space, and it is now cold and dark. And then from this part, we're going to talk about neutron stars and exploding stars. What is neutron stars? According to the astronomers' calculations, they explode and throw off large nebula. The middle of the nebula is even denser than a white dwarf. The gravitational force will be very strong. A human being will weigh about 2,500 million times what he does on Earth. The Earth shrunken to a small fraction of its present size will become part of the star. Then next, according to Robert Oppenheimer, when the thermonuclear furnace that keeps large stars shining runs down, it behaves differently from a star the size of the sun. The gravitational force are big enough to collapse the star's atoms, and the electron and the protons combine, and the collapsed star is almost entirely composed of neutron. Then, as the star collapses, much of its mass is thrown off into space and forming a nebula. In addition, there is a great outpouring of radiant energy, something like radio waves, light, and X-rays, and in that supernova or exploding star. What is exploding stars? As you can see here, according to Chinese astronomers, the supernova or exploding star was extremely bright, visible even in the daytime. This is where our stars in our galaxy. Astronomers with modern telescopes have recorded hundreds of supernovas. Often the supernova is appearing as all the rest of the stars in the galaxy come together. For the next class, we will be presented by one and time and place for you.
Okay, now I'll try to explain about the black holes. Next. Nothing can escape, not even light. The black hole therefore cannot be seen, and because it traps light, nothing can be observed from behind it. According to Robert Oppenheimer, by using Einstein's theory, for the next 30 years, no black hole was observed. But before that we got the first peak of the black hole. Next, in 1970, the first X-ray satellite Uhuru was launched. Among the first discoveries was an X-ray source called Calle Cygnus X1, very close to one of the mysteriously orbiting stars. Astronomers interpret this observation as being due to a black hole. Gas from the ordinary stars falls into the black hole, throwing out X-ray as it goes. Next, according to American Kiptron, 90% certain that the center of cygnus X1 there is indeed a black hole. Next. Okay, the principles.
Okay, the next I will explain the principles. The first, the principle of tentativeness. Astronomers are not yet entirely convinced that Cygnus X1 really is a black hole. The second, the principle of consistency. The sun has been shining in the much the same way as snow for about 5 million years. The next, the principle of causality. The density of cause will be very high. If a centimeter cube could be dug out from the dead sun, its mass would be about a ton. The next, the principle of relativeness. When the thermonuclear furnace that keeps a large star shining runs down, it behaves differently from a star the size of our sun. The next, the principle of continuous recovery. For the next 30 years, no black hole was observed. There were stars which seems to be in orbit, but in orbit around the object which could be not be seen.
Okay, so I guess that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.